up, everybody? We are finally getting back to some videos here in the shop. It's been a bit of a busy summer with camping and wheeling trips and this and that, whatever life gets ahead of you. But I'm wrapping up a small project here on my work truck. Seems when I hook up my enclosed trailer that I've converted to a camper, it likes to squat this thing like I have banana peels for leaf springs. So I got an Air Ride or Airlift? Nah. Air Ride 5000 kit. So just a set of leaf springs for each side we're going to mount in there, and you know, we'll see how that helps us squat. If y'all don't know how to do this, y'all shouldn't be putting airbags in. But because of the ripe age of 29, you boys got crunchy knees, so I'm gonna put this down. So the airbag mounts, I got to take off this dead stop, and they're going to be mounted in between here because these leaf springs are pretty much made out of banana peels and like potato skins. They won't hold up anything, so it should ride and tow a hell of a lot better when it's done. Alright, instructions say first thing you want to do is take out that stop there. So I've got that out. I got this new bracket bolted in here. In the manual, it doesn't say to put these carriage bolts in first, but you need to because they hit the frame. Like it said, bolt this in, then drop these in, but you can't. So if you're doing this, put those in first and take your over here. I've already built this one side. Honestly, this is really quite easy. Instructions are very clear. Top bracket, this faces the front of the truck. Bolt this plate through this plate to the airbag. Face your airline in towards the middle of the truck. Flip it over, it gives you another bracket, which you bolt through another bracket, and then this bracket will sit on the hump of your leaf spring perch, and these drop through, and another bracket bolts up underneath that to the bottom of your axle. Then you just need to run your airlines. But I don't know if you guys want me to bore you. I've already started doing this one, but I'll take it apart again and show you. So we're getting that on the go here. So in the manual, if I'm doing the right side of the truck, so I want to spin this so the airline's on the inside. First thing you want to do is take your bracket, flip it over so the lip is down, face it over top of there. In the manual it says this is the front of the truck, this is the back, and you'll just line that up till these bolt holes line up and you still have your area around there. 2 fine thread bolts and washers, but since we're in Canada and I'll probably have to take this apart again, put some anti-Z's on there, anti-C's, whatever you want to call it, be dumb about it. Because y'all know these are going to come apart again or go on another truck at some point in time, so make it all finger tight for now. What I actually like about this airline kit is, come on, Open! Dang. Struggle. Come on. They actually come with thread tape on them already, and it's a swivel joint rather than trying to line it up perfectly. Start it. Again, I'm just doing this all finger tight to show you. Say it was tight there, you can move that anywhere you want, depending where you put your airline in your truck. Then, flip it over, put your other bracket on, just line this up over top of what would be a grommet there, I guess you could call it. And then this would be this way? Yep. Because those have to sit on, no, I'm wrong already. This way. Yeah, that way, and then you would take, I can't find it right now, but you would take this bracket and put your carriage bolts wherever they may be. I know this is a mess. They would come up through everything. Bolt that together, and then you literally lift it into the truck as one piece. I'll try and show you guys here. Of course. So it actually sits in there quite nice. You'll see this bracket has 4 carriage bolts. They line up great with all these. I just got to jack up the axle. It pushes up into here, and then take you underneath here. Careful. The other bracket would come up and butt up underneath the axle here. Hold it tight, and then there's a sideways U-bolt that holds these brackets around these spring blocks. So I'll try and get a shot of it all done up. You guys don't want to see me tighten bolts forever, but we'll wrap this up, wrap the other side, jam the wheels on, and go hook up to a trailer. We got this right side all wrapped up here, everything's all tightened up. And I spoke too highly of this Amazon kit because when I got into it, I found out they shorted me these lower brackets that's supposed to hold that. And because I got it off Amazon, they're really sweet to deal with, so it'll be about 17 months before I see them. But at Travis's house here, he had some square tubing. It's just enough to get me through for now. We'll hold her up there. Holds them tight anyways. We got Buddy Guy installing this.
Yeah, I get this side with the exhaust in the way, so. I mean, done a couple of these kits now. I've done them on both F-150s, so I like them in those trucks. That was a while ago that I installed that one.
Yeah, they work well. That's why we keep getting them. But throw the tires back on here soon and go hook up to the trailer. Yeah, we're just we got that side wrapped up. I showed you that last. Trying to figure out where to run the airlines because we got different options on this. Are both your trucks on that? I'll show you these on both these what we did. Because on Buddy Guy's white one, his license plate brackets are actually his airbags. Can we see that? Yep. And then on this one, I had them underneath the bumper, but he changed them to be. Where are they? Oh, hiding them right inside the box there on each side. So we don't run air compressors. We just pump them up by hand. I want them to be accessible on this, but what do you think, buddy?
Well,
I can't put them in the box side. I'll knock them off with stuff at work.
Yeah.
I don't want them on the license
here,
plate.
and they get ugly. Like on my white truck, I have them here, but they get so corroded with road grime and stuff that it's not really that nice. If you put them underneath, then it's kind of.
I'm okay with tucking them under here.
I like to have them like mounted good. I would say you could either drill right in the side of the hitch here, have it run this way, and then have it right here.
Yeah.
But then you got the road crap and stuff too. So
yeah, we'll have to figure it out. We'll show you after once we come up with a game plan.
Okay, so we decided to mount the Schrader valves here on the plate bolts, just to keep them out of the weather. But we sprayed a bunch of anti-seize, so hopefully they won't rust, and you can get them back off when you need to. That crap was already there. Those things are garbage. Anyways, Corbin's working on running the hoses here. So we had to drop the spare tire.
Easier that way.
It's a little bit tight behind the bumper there, between that and the spare tire, but not too bad. This is kind of where you got to figure out where you want to run the wires up, maybe above the spare tire mount. I would go, hey, where you have that zip tie go around the front up top of there, because you want to keep it away from the exhaust. So we're going to get those run. Pretty simple. Put the tire back up and then test her out. It's always best to run these and then cut your lines, otherwise you'll be short. I know on the gray truck, the previous guy, well, Corbin bought that kit used.
Yeah, I am the previous guy.
No, you bought that kit used off Kijiji, and the guy cut that one line short. Hold on, noise going on. But anyways, I ended up getting some new lines so that I could reroute it to make it work. But anyways, that's what happened. So we'll get this all run, buttoned up, and then we'll give her a test.
Cool boy. Where's my gun?
Oh yeah, it's me. Okay, I got the wheels back on, torqued on, all the hoses ran. Can't even see the hoses. Got them tucked up nice and zip tied. So they actually you can actually run these things with 0 PSI in them, because they have a bump stop internal, so it's not going to damage the airbag. So on my trucks I run, I don't know, sometimes 5 to 10 PSI, but we're going to try this thing out. We got this DeWalt booster pack, but it's got a built-in onboard air compressor, so we haven't used that yet. We just got this last week. So he's going to hook her up and we'll give her a try and see if we can put some air in these things, make sure they don't leak.
Well, anyway, this thing beat forever.
I don't know. We don't know how to. We haven't done it yet. We don't know how to use it yet.
Just
put it on.
Really? And what? Is it
oh, it even threads on.
Wow.
That's pretty nice.
One man job. What are you beeping for?
Then press air, I think.
Really? Do it. Do the
Press
thing.
up.
Is it gonna be on? What do you mean?
Okay, we think we got this thing figured out. Can't have this. What's really going on? Like, that's not necessary.
No respect.
So, look, it says it's got 3 PSI in there right now.
Great.
But anyways, you have to have this thing off. It's got different modes. We just pressed air and then you set it to the PSI, and then let's just try it. Oh!
Wow.
That's pretty cool.
Did it do anything?
Well, touch the bag and see if it's full.
Feels like something.
Let's try the other one.
Yeah, squeeze the other one first. Oh yeah, that one's freaking softer than a banana peel.
That worked pretty darn quick. Shout out to DeWalt. We're not big DeWalt guys, but I like that. Shows the PSI in there. I don't know how well I trust that. Well, it's just, yeah, okay, there's pressure in the bag because 2.8. Oh, we turned it off. Press that, press air again.
Nice,
That's stinking handy. I like that a lot. got an alternator test and USB power and whatnot, so cool. Turn that to off. I guess it'll just time out, and yeah, that's that.
Alright, back at home here, but you can see the hard angle I have this trailer on. Driveway's on a bit of an incline up, but not too much. But I got 40 pounds in each bag right now. I'm gonna set this trailer on because usually this truck would squat about 3 to 4 inches with this on, so we'll let her down. Excuse the noise here, this is my redneck power jack. We don't want that in there. So she's still sitting kind of level. I almost have to pull it out on the street, but it even brought this down just to sit it out level now. So that shows how heavy this trailer is. So I don't know whether I should pull it out and show you guys how bad it squats with no air in them or what, but here we go. Alright, I'm just gonna let these airbags out to 0 so you'll watch the front end or rear end of that trailer. Sorry, rear end of that truck and front end of that trailer come right down. Of course, need something that fits. Hopefully you can pick this up. Camera doesn't do it justice, but this thing, it's got a hard rake on it, and this trailer come down a lot farther, so it should make a massive difference with this, because I usually put 2 quads in here and coolers and whatever have you. Just give a little walk around in here. I want to show you my code to get in. But it's my toy hauler anyways. A little shower here and a compost toilet over there, and usually these coolers are full. I already got cases of beer in here, I got Grizzly in here and a bed up top, and got her set up pretty good. But so this will come ahead, another quad in here, coolers, about 8 or 9 jerry cans in the back, and you know, 1 or 2 mini bikes and whatever have you. But I got 4 full-size truck batteries in here, so that's a lot of tongue weight. So these airbags are gonna make a massive difference. This trailer alone is pretty heavy. So anyways, that's gonna be it for this video, and stay tuned, we'll get the more videos coming. Catch you on the next one.